Today's free preset is named Horizons, and we have a nice raw file here taken in San Francisco. And we've got ISO 200, 37mm f5.6. And what I'm going to do is close down the side panel here, and let's go fit to screen and check it out. There we go. Now we can check out side by side. Make sure you guys check out presetpro.com. If you go under the free tab, you'll find a ton of free Lightroom presets. And when you're done downloading the preset, don't forget to share it with your friends and make sure you subscribe so you get our weekly free presets.